going on, guys? We're back in the 80 series and we're going to tackle the track that we took the 75 series ute down. So I told you I'd come and conquer it with the beast. So here we are, check this out. Definitely not as bumpy in the 80 as it was in the 75, that's for damn sure. You gotta love coil suspension, guys. You gotta love it. So the old ute was pretty stiff. Like, well, when I say pretty, I mean very. So the 80 series should flex and be able to show off a bit of articulation that the 75 series lacked. Big time lacked. So we'll head over to the same spot and do the same things and hopefully get a little bit further. Alright, just pulled up where that bloke was camping last time and it looks like he's moved out, so I'm just going to go and have a quick sticky biggie. See what we can find. Oh well, he didn't leave too much behind except rubbish. Oh, there you go. That's his campsite. Not real exciting. I was sort of hoping for, you know, something cool. Not like a dead body or anything, but you know what I mean. Alright, let's get back into it. If you remember, guys, this is the spot where the ute got stuck and, you know, was just rocking and rolling. Now the 80 series isn't even in 4-wheel drive yet, so just to give you an idea, doesn't really do it justice, but for 2-wheel drive that's pretty good. And just so you know, I'm not bullshitting you, 4x2. God, I love this thing. Who wants to see what it looks like from the air? Let's get the drone up. Alrighty guys, we're back to that part of the track. This spot here, the 75 couldn't even get up that first little bit, so here we go. Made it further than before. So far so good. It's a fairly steep hill. The drone stopped following us. What's going on here? piece of cake. The 80's just eating this track, boys and girls. Eating it. Well, here we are. We made it. It's not a bad view. Very nice. Now the track keeps going this way, so I don't know how far up I can get, but I'm gonna go and have a look. Well, looks like I'm king of the castle. We made it all the way up. It just goes back down now, so the only shitty thing is this must be a flight zone. The drone wouldn't follow me up the mountain, so we had to go back down and grab it. But anyway, you can see, beautiful, beautiful spot. So we better go back down, I suppose. Have a beer to celebrate. What do you reckon? Let's go. Well, there you go, we're down the bottom. There's the road behind me, so we better celebrate. And there's no better way to celebrate a victory than a nice cold beer. I know you hear me when I say that. So let me introduce you guys again to the beer fridge. Come on out, big fella. If you haven't got one of these MSA, Michelle Sachs Australia, that stands for, drop down fridge slides, you need one in your life. There we go. Reckon I need some SkidPig stubby coolers. What do you reckon? Very similar to my logo, that thing. Very similar, but I like flames. Alrighty, cheers, we did it. We didn't even break anything, so thanks for watching, guys. If you got any other requests for videos or tracks you want me to conquer, just leave them in the comments. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, give me a you in the comments, and I'll catch you on the next one, eh? See ya!